Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome. So in today's video, I'll be going to the supermarket. So we are gonna do a supermarket haul, right? I'm not gonna go the last vlog, the last grocery shopping that I went to a supermarket, a new supermarket, but I'm going to a different one right now. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, okay? And we're gonna go there. I'm gonna buy the stuffs, and then when I'm home, I'm gonna do the haul with you guys. All right, so remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on the post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. All right, remember to subscribe, watch up the video them, and share to your friends, send them over to subscribe and comment and like up the video. Okay, all right, so yeah, let's go guys.
But man, no for girl, crush some light and pop. Yeah, guess who us? Walk star carry no. Find out what I mean that we are one love. Action movie, I want star in you. So much time could I pull a cup ring, but me no want no bigness, no me no mind team. And I don't give up. Call us then, come pretty this. With me and I want love my man them black and rich. Let's see when the liquor start getting oh. Sunny now go after 12.
Everything whether in my wallet or in my pocket. Hello? Yo. How are you? Channel, usually I think all the time.
Boss for every boss, done for every done. Ever militant, so it and humble like a lamb. Tell them no confusion. Boss for every boss.
Darky, no, cause of darkness. Darky, no. Darky, no. Darkness forever, man. Darky, no. Darky, no.
Straight jeans and me be a ganja. We a real bad man, that's why she love we. She know want the money, she just
big Benz spark up and last stick pan kite. Bus we bus head one go run man file. Be a killer we park with from we a juvenile. How we a run it?
Come and say again. Slew them up, bare feelings them a carry. Them done but already and them can't say them sorry, yeah.
Enough for them want you dead and gone. But if where you go, you hold your head and gone. You know me happy see me one band. So when you see me pan it up, you know me one gone.
Hey guys, I'm home and we're gonna do the little grocery haul. All right, so this is gonna be all over the place, so the groceries are not gonna be in order. So anything when we say, I'm going to take up and show you. All right, so the first thing I have right here is a case of cool water. All right, so we have our water, and then we have a case of soapy tissue. All right, so we also got 1 dozen eggs. Egg kind of short because I normally order the tray of eggs, but I get 1 dozen eggs. So yeah, 1 dozen egg, and I got a gallon of Ping's cooking oil, and then I got a gallon of Ping's vinegar. All right, yeah. Alright guys, so I didn't get rice and flour because I already have that. Alright, so I have right here combo pack. So this combo pack, and I have 2 pack of Kisco. Then I get 6 bun. Yeah, 6 bun. I got cheese. I got Pringles. I got 3 of them. I normally shop like 3 or 6. So I got 6 buns and 3 Pringles. I got 3 Rough Tops, 3 Doritos, two water crackers, ginger beer. I buy 6 of these. I got 6 ginger beer. Now we have a tea bag and the chocolate mix. I got 1 pack of tea bag and 6 of this because my daughter loves this, so I got 6 of this. We have fish seasoning, oats, we have a cornmeal for the porridge. So this is 2 pounds of refined cornmeal. Yeah. This is tuna. I got 3 of them. This is tuna flaked in water. Then I have the sardine. I got 3 sardine, 3 tuna. You know, we have a Betty tin milk. I got 4 of this. I got 4 of this. 3 Ruffles. Lasco spaghetti, I got 2 packs. Baking soda, chicken seasoning, I got duplex. I got 3 duplex for my daughter. Then 3 chocolate chips, small mayo. We have the Maggi bouillon, you know, to spice up it. It things them, yeah. I love this. Then I bought 1 pound of peas, salt, yeah, every salt. Alright guys, so just remember, say this not in a no order. Alright, this whole grocery haul in a no order. So anything me say, me take up and show. Alright, so we have 1 case of Capri Sun juice. Yeah, you know, we have a cran juice, we have the red one, and we have the white one. I bought 3 red and 3 white. So you know say a 6 of them. We have mac and cheese, about 4 of this, and we have supplegen, about 6 of this. So we have we have our mixed veg and about 3 of this grace mixed veg. Cherry berries, about 3 of them. Alright, so about 3 big grace corned beef, 3 baked bean. You know, I have to drink right, ensure, yeah. So about 6 of this. Banana plantain chips, about 3 of this, my boy. Yeah, 3 plantain chips and a big pack of better pack curry. Yeah. Alright, so we have Lasco, about 4 big pack of Lasco. Banana chips, about 3 of them. We buy sugar. Alright, so I bought the big chiffon butter. Yeah, if you serve me. So I like buying bulk if you serve me. You understand? Yeah, serve me for the month. Alright, so I have hand towel, about sanitary napkin and panty liner. I'm not gonna show that on the camera, but I have them. Alright. Lysol, you know, so we have to keep clean. Also have to smell good and all of that. Yeah. We have with Downy and we have big pack of Fab soap. Revive, yeah. Big pack of Revive Fab soap. Heavy. Then big pack of Oxymaster. And like 6. Well, this is 3 pack, but I have 3 more pack of Protex bathing soap. What else am I buying now? Oh, and I also bought a small dishwashing liquid. So yeah, that is basically it. What I miss, I already have things for cook soup like cock noodle and chicken noodles. So I never buy them there. I never buy coconut milk powder because I think I have coconut milk powder here. I already have my bread. What else am I get? I think that is it, guys. Yeah, I already have browning and ketchup and all of that. So I just did buy one necessary right now to serve me for 3 months. For the month of February, yeah, I bought things to serve me for the month of February because you know say February a Saturday and today is Thursday. So yeah, you know me have to stock up back for the next month coming. Alright. So yes guys, that is it. Oh, you see me I left out the meat people about meat. So about 4 pounds of mixed parts. About 4 pounds of mixed parts, about 4 pounds of grunt fish, and about nuggets, about fries, about 1 pound of saltfish. What else am I buy? Yeah, me never get no burger. Me never get no burger meat. So yeah, that's basically it. So this was the list. Our long list, people. So that's basically it. Look how me left out the meat. So that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on the post notification bell so each time I upload a video you guys can be notified. Okay, remember to subscribe, watch out the video them, and just support me over here. Okay, all right, I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.